Hey there, Rick Harrison here. In my business, I see a lot come through the door, junk and treasures alike. But old money? That always gets my attention. Coins and banknotes aren't just collectibles, they're pieces of history. Anyone can get started, and I'll show you how. We'll cover what to look for, what makes a coin valuable, and how to start your own collection. Maybe you found an old coin in your grandpa's drawer, or a strange quarter in your change. Every coin tells a story about its time, place, and the people who used it. Imagine a Roman coin used by a soldier, or a silver dollar from a cowboy's pocket. You don't need a fortune to start. Many collectors begin with pocket change. The thrill is in the hunt, and the stories you uncover. This hobby is all about knowledge. The more you know, the better you'll do. You don't need to be an expert, just curious and willing to learn. In this guide, I'll give you the basics to get started. We'll talk about numismatics, what makes coins valuable and how to care for your collection. Stick with me, you might just find your new favorite pastime. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Coin collecting is a journey of discovery. You never know what you'll find next. Let's unlock the world of coins together. Let's start with the basics. Numismatics. It's just the study and collection of currency, coins, tokens, paper money, even metals. If you collect coins, you're a numismatist. This hobby is about more than value. It's about the stories behind each piece. Some collectors focus on coins from a country or era, others on metals like silver or gold. Banknotes are popular too, with their beautiful designs from around the world. There's no right or wrong way to collect. Follow your interests. For some, it's about connecting with history. For others, it's the thrill of the hunt. Rare coins can be valuable, but the real reward is the story. You might collect error coins, or tokens from old subways or coal mines. Find a niche that excites you. Don't worry about what others collect. Make your collection your own. The value is in what it means to you. Numismatics is a global community, united by curiosity and passion. Start small, follow your interests and enjoy the journey. That's what makes this hobby special. So, what makes a coin valuable? First, rarity. If few exist and many want it, the price goes up. Condition matters too. Coins in better shape are worth more. Collectors use a grading scale. Higher grades mean higher value. Historical importance adds value. Coins tied to major events or mistakes like the 1943 copper penny are prized. Demand is key. A coin is only worth what someone will pay. Popular coins like Morgan silver dollars hold strong value. Trends can change. Stay curious and keep learning. When rarity, condition, history, and demand meet, you've found something special. That's the thrill of coin collecting. Ready to start? Begin with your own pocket change. Look for interesting coins, state quarters, wheat pennies, or unusual designs. Ask family and friends if you can check their coin jars. Hidden treasures await. Foreign coins from travels can kickstart a world collection. When you're ready, visit a coin shop or show. Dealers love helping beginners. Start small, buy coins you like and can afford. Collect what excites you, not just what's valuable. Maybe you love ships or presidents. Let your interests guide you. Your collection should tell your story. The real reward is the joy of collecting and learning. Don't chase investments. Chase curiosity. Every collection is unique. Enjoy the hunt. Now, protect your collection. Handle coins by the edges. Oils from your fingers can damage them. Use cardboard folders, albums, or safe plastic holders. Avoid PVC plastics. Never clean your coins. Cleaning ruins value and history. Collectors want original patina, not polished surfaces. For banknotes, use archival safe sleeves. Keep them flat and away from sunlight. Don't fold, write on, or tape them. Preserve your collection's original state. Caring for your coins and notes honors their history. Be a good caretaker. Let these treasures tell their stories for years to come. Happy collecting.